on, but
it's been a long time coming. So I gotta make it back, but my home ain't on the map. Gotta follow what I'm feeling to discover where it's at. I need the memory, in case this fades forever, just to be sure these last days are better. And if I'm any enemies, then give me the strength to look the devil in the face and make it home safe. Now tell me how did all the dreams and the nightmares, how did I lose it when I was right there? Now I'm so far that it feels like it's all